Click on the link below to get price. The 84-ounce dehumidifier for home is an impressive solution for managing humidity levels in spaces up to 1,000 square feet. This model stands out with its large water tank capacity, allowing it to extract up to 84 ounces of moisture daily, making it ideal for basements, living rooms, or any area prone to dampness. One of the most notable features is the built-in timer, which allows users to set operational hours according to their preferences. This not only helps in energy conservation but also ensures the dehumidifier runs when it's most needed. Additionally, the sleep mode is a thoughtful touch, reducing operational noise for a more peaceful environment, making it suitable for bedrooms or quiet spaces during the night. In terms of performance, this dehumidifier operates efficiently, significantly reducing humidity levels within just a few hours of use. Many users have noted a remarkable difference in air quality, experiencing relief from issues like musty odors and dampness that can lead to mold and mildew. The digital display is user-friendly, showing current humidity levels and settings, which enhances its overall usability. The design of the dehumidifier is sleek and modern, enabling it to blend seamlessly into various home decors. It's lightweight, making it easy to move from one room to another, which is a significant advantage for those who need versatility in their dehumidifying solutions. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the removable water tank that simplifies the emptying process. The filter is also easy to access and clean, ensuring optimal performance without hassle. Overall, the 84-ounce dehumidifier for home is a solid investment for anyone dealing with high humidity levels. With its effective moisture removal, user-friendly features, and sleek design, it represents a perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics, making it a highly recommended option for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment.